Chapter 9, Exercise 4, Part 8 of 10, Jaw Screw. Create a new component. Select model template. Enter the name, Jaw Screw. Store it in c09exr4 benchwise folder. Create a sketch. Select YZ plane. Draw the profile for our revolve section. Start from sketch origin. Enter 6 mm length, angle 90 degree. Minimum length, angle 0 degree. Minimum length, to 70 degree. Maximum length, angle 0 degree. 2 mm length, angle 90 degree. Minimum length, angle 0 degree. 2 mm height, angle 90 degree. 82 mm length, angle 0 degree. 2 mm length, 270 degree. 8 mm length, angle 0 degree. 3 mm length, angle 90 degree. Four mm length, angle 0 degree. 9 mm length, angle 270 degree. And close the profile. This completes our section for revolve. Finish the sketch. Select revolve. Specify the vector. Select line 14 of the sketch. And say OK. Now create a sketch. YZ plane. Select include this point into our sketch. Draw a circle. Diameter 6. And edit this dimension to 12 mm. The sketch. Select extrude, select symmetric value, enter distance 9, change to value, select subtract from the Boolean operation, say OK, hide the sketches, right click, orient view to trimetric, save the file, close all parts. This completes chapter 9, exercise 4, part 8 of 10, jaw screw.